Boris Gelfand. Guys, today I would like to show you the view. Guys, we purchased the unit. It's in the middle of AVENTURA. And building has, like you see, Marina, which is, again, it doesn't come with apartment, but basically you can purchase sleep or you can rent it from other people. So I think you can fit easy, like 37, 40, 42 feet boats you can fit here. And again, people who love boats, I think this is going to be perfect location to think about purchasing the unit in this building. And the unit we purchased for $530. Guys, it was brilliant deal for my client, which is we worked for him a couple years, because all apartments in this building are price range between $580 to $680. Guys, let me show the unit inside, and I would like to have your comments and whatever you think about, if it's great deal or if it's bad deal, and to share your thoughts. So basically this is specific building. It's made loft, so it's like in Manhattan people like it, sick about, you know, storage is converted to the apartment. So this is the same style. It's high ceiling and the system, which as you can see, air conditioning system. But if you like, you can convert it to slim AC unit to raise the floor. I mean, to make a flat ceiling. And again, it's 3 bedroom. Physically now it's used as 2 bedroom plus office, but physically in a floor plan it is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. So let's start from the kitchen. Kitchen has everything what you need. Again, guys, if you're thinking to spend money to make some renovation, more than welcome, money is yours. So I would do flooring here, light flooring, and I would like to replace those cabinets for white gloss. So apartment will looks much brighter and, you know, more fresh. But again, if you're investor, it will fly the same way which it is right now. So let me show the small bedroom, which is not really small. It has a lot of closet space, and it's, you see, it's already flat ceiling. It doesn't have opening of the AC. It's splitted bathroom, so it's 1 bathroom between 2 rooms, so you can split each other. It's like Jack and Jill, let's say, but it's not Jack and Jill, but let's say yes, this way. So balcony. Each room has access to the balcony. This is other side of the apartment. It's 100 degree apartment. So guys, like I said, it's behind this building, charter school. So you can go and to spend 2-3 minutes walk, and so you have publics, you have everything, all facilities around, restaurants. So this is the best location in AVENTURA, and which is you can dream about. And like I said, building has unique layout, has pool, and unique this what you have in you have boat slips. Again, most of buildings they don't have this option. If you have boat, you have to pay $20, $30, $40 per feet. So in this building it's gonna cost you much less expensive. So this is a 2nd bedroom. Again, it's not huge, but still you can fit good size of the, you know, twin or full bed, and to use for your kids or to use as office space. And again, guys, apartment 1257 square feet, which is, you're gonna tell me, Boris, it's not big, but guys, for this kind of money it's great deal, because if you're gonna divide it by square feet, it's like 400 per square feet. It's nothing. All buildings in the neighborhood selling $600, $700 per square feet. So this is we found this apartment, we found person who want to sell it, not to have a dream price, because these numbers real. So you're gonna check by public record. This unit was sold to my client by $530, and you have good size of the bathroom. Again, it's not wow, but it's like, let's say, everything recent. I mean, it's what building, 2006, 2007, so everything original but in good shape without any damages. So you don't need to spend money for renovation. And like I said, guys, you can consider it as investment, or you can consider as self-use. And again, it's 1 assigned parking. If you need 2nd one, you're gonna buy from the management or valet. You're gonna pay, I think it's between $70 to $100, up to $100. So HOA here $1,024, and taxes is gonna be around $7,000–8,000 per year. And you can easy to rent this unit for $4,000. If you're investor, You can rent the unit 4200 and it's gonna fly because it's couple really blocks from the charter school of Aventura. It's 180 80th Street. You have some questions, feel free to call me, to text me. I'm always available, and I'd love to have your business and to find you the best possible deal on the market. Boris Gelfand, Aventura.